Good morning, everyone. Welcome to A Day in My Life. It is summer break. We're going a little bit stir crazy, and I'm gonna take all four of my girls and the baby, of course, to the mall. Just kind of hang out. We've been stuck at home for a while, and the bickering is starting and little tiffs here and there, and I feel like, okay, we just need to get out for a day, just kind of have a little bit of a girls' day. We're gonna go to the mall, do a little bit of shopping, not too much because we are on a budget. Roblox and spaghetti. Yeah. We're gonna go.
Where are we going?
Yay. Who's going to the mall?
Mommy.
Here we are at the mall. Woo! Who else is with me? You're with me. Trying to see what they have. I like these. Lily likes these, but we're trying to decide on the size. Where are we at? Pretzels. Gotta get some pretzels. They're good?
Trying cheese.
Mm-hmm. Is it yummy? Mm-hmm. Eating his pretzel. Where are you guys going? All right, we just got out of the mall. We just needed to get out of the house for a little bit. Okay, so we went to Nike. We got some pretzels. We went to Claire's. Okay, we're gonna have you guys show what you got when we get home, okay? We went to Claire's. I ran into Adidas real quick because I wanted the Samba shoes. Samba. I'm so not cool. I was feeling like low energy, so I stopped at this place called Founders and got myself an iced coffee. First two sips were warm. I've been shaking it. It's a little better, but it needs more. And then we went to Chipotle, and we got some burritos and bowls. Okay, when you have a lot of kids, get a couple bowls and just split them and use tortillas at home. No one needs their own bowl. We used to just split bowls and it still was expensive. So this way works and we get enough to eat. And it's not quite dinner time. It's 4:15. It's snack time. So we're having Chipotle as a snack. I also got this Izzy drink because I love it. What is it? There's a smile. Grumpiness all day. So we're gonna go home and the girls are gonna show you all the little cute things they got at the mall. Got this huge package at my door from Teemu and I ripped it open. I got too excited and I'm like, you know what? Let me film it because maybe you guys can share the excitement of unboxing. I don't remember what I ordered. Temu is probably one of the most funnest places to order from. Massive online marketplace with millions of discounted products. It is so fun to shop and there's so many incentives to do so. Let's just do this. Okay, so I'm sure that you've seen this multiple times. It's like a snaggle box, weekly to-do list pad, huge glass cup mug. I don't know. I just thought this would be really nice and refreshing to do some lemonade with some lemon slices and straw. Look at the baby. He's trying to... Are you eating breakfast? Dusting rags. I like the color coding situation because I will do blue for the bathroom. I will do green for the kitchen. I will do red for like dusting. It really helps kind of, not cross-contaminate so much. A few kitchen gadgets. I got this because Dezeo is obsessed with apples. In addition to all the fun, exciting, affordable things that you can get from Teemu, they also offer free shipping on items shipped from Teemu and free returns for up to 90 days. The delivery is guaranteed, there's price protection, and they do price adjustments within 30 days. Like watching on the side. We have taco night frequently, so I got these taco thingamajiggers.
I had it yesterday too.
Always losing our remote, so I thought this next to the TV would be good to put all the remotes. I thought this would be really good to put like some documents in my office in. I plan on getting more because this is way better than I expected. The sight word stuff. Oh, right here. I got it right here. I got a few learning things because as you guys know, I'm going to be starting my homeschool journey. And so I got some things to supplement the kids' learning. Here is a multiplication chart, but it's like a pop-it thing. Really cool and unique. Pop it! Yeah. Okay, he's gonna play with that. And then I got some sight word learning charts. Really cool, 2 different ones. There's actually a picture as well. So this is really gonna help Natalia with her reading sight words. For Ace's room, this is kind of like a hat stand. He has some hats that are just kind of thrown all over the place. Yeah, so I got this because you can put the bills of the hats here are for glass. This is so random, but this is a clean and dirty magnet for the dishwasher. Yes. You like that? You like that? Because the dishwasher is your job.
Yeah, people always open it when it's raining.
I know. So this is like a little chopper. Yeah, because I love strawberries. So I saw on the video on Teemu that people were slicing strawberries, eggs, whatever. Can you hand me those, please? Got this set of inspirational things to put into frames in my office. In order to become 1%, and you must do what the other 99% won't. Just, you know, some motivational things to get me going in the morning, to make me productive. Think outside the box. These were very me, and they were pretty affordable, so I got these because I already have frames, and I want to do like a, you know, a motivational wall in my office. Okay, last thing, my Vanna White, my Vea White is handing me. I got these, and the kids are gonna be like excited because I haven't even told you. These are, you see these like fairs and things? These, these are plastic jugs so the girls can make their own concoction drink. Lemonade, fruit. I mean, if I were my way, I'd do an iced coffee. Guava juice. So you can do like sparkling guava juice. So it comes with this, the lid, and then some big straws. You could even do boba if you wanted to. Because you can carry them.
That's cute.
Oh my gosh, this is like a whole new meaning to a lemonade stand for 4th of July. Check the description down below for the link to download the app and for more perks. All of the links of everything you see here is going to be down below. And do not forget to use my discount code that is displayed on the screen. Thank you to Teemu for sending me a package. Do you guys want to show what you got at the mall yesterday? What'd you get?
I got a friendship necklace.
And then where's the other half?
Oh, let me go grab it.
And then the other half is for her friend.
I got like a locket with like my initial on it, and then I got butterfly earrings.
Cute. What'd you get?
Okay.
Oh, there's the other half to her friendship necklace. She's gonna go on a play date today and give it to her best friend. What'd you get, Lily girl?
A necklace that has an L, and I got a flower ring, which is upstairs.
Yeah. Well, Maya doesn't have it with her, but she got some hoop earrings. What'd you get?
I got that.
You got a necklace?
Say shoes.
What color is it? Oh, you got shoes? Also got these stinking cute slides. I've been looking for these for so long. They were only 15 bucks at the Nike outlet. Look how stinking cute these are. The main goal of the trip was to get Lily some Crocs as like an early birthday gift because the one pair that she owns are way too tight, but they didn't have any that she like loved. And I wanted to get the baby and Natalia some too because they really needed new ones. And the prices were like double. So I really wanted to get to Zayo with the black high shine ones, and they were $40 in store, but $23 online. So I placed an order for that. I went into Adidas because I just needed shoes. It had been a long time. None of my shoes were clean and fresh, and I just needed a little bit of a refresh. So I got these Sambas. They're actually men's. Do we care? I don't care. $59 on sale from like $80, which is really good. And then when I went, they actually rang up to $49. So I was very happy about that. They do have like a feminine female version of it, but I did not like it as much. So whatever, I got the men's. Love them. And because I'm getting old and my foot hurts when I wake up in the morning, I got myself some inserts. I'm so old, from Amazon that hopefully will help with that pain. I went into Carter's really quick and got baby boy some fresh onesies. We love these like muscle tees. They are so nostalgic for us because Ace wore these when he was a baby. It was 24 months. He still fits in 18 months, but I just thought I'd get 24 months because we're gonna be there eventually. And then I did get him some like regular white tee ones. Bunches were $26 and they were on sale. So I ended up paying, I think, $32 for both. Lily Girl's gifts were coming in pretty quickly, so I decided to just hunker down in my office and wrap. Look how cute this wrapping paper. It's reversible, but I don't think that's like super colorful, so I'm just gonna stick with this side. I have been stashing things for, I don't know, about a month now. Like every time I go to a store that I see something at a great price that I think she would like, I'll grab it. I'm very much that type of mom. I ended up ordering some Crocs online. What do you guys think of these? Actually, they're really dark in the photo, but I don't know. I'm just really into these browns right now. Is this weird? It's called Latte, by the way. Lily is very much a different type of child, a very unique child. She doesn't like toys. She doesn't like makeup and like a lot of the generally girly things. She likes books and experiments and games and critical thinking type of things, which makes her so unique and special. So every time I see something I think she'll like, I grabbed it. In addition to the Crocs, I have one more thing coming for her, her biggest gift that she has no idea. And I thought it's time for her to have it. So I'm really excited for that. All right, goods are secured. And some of the decorations that I got are mostly yellow and a little bit of pink. So I love the contrast of having some orange with it as well. Gonna get dinner started and let's see what's up with these kids and daddy outside. What are they doing? Is that chocolate on your face? Oh my goodness. Are you eating chocolate chips? Bless you.
What is it?
Chocolate chips.
That one?
That's what's all over his. He was dancing with the cactus, yeah. Auntie and Naira, Uncle Eric got that for him. I got a coffee on my way home. Best coffee ever, by the way. Oh, me too. Oh, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you. I love you.
Yeah, look.
Bro wants hug. Oh, leave the chips. Thank you guys for watching today's video. We will see you in the next one.